Why do so many young adults miss out on turning small savings into big bucks? Let's break it down. The first tip for building wealth is simple: start saving early. When you're young, time is your biggest asset. By starting now, you can harness the power of compound interest. Here's the deal: the money you save earns interest, and over time, that interest starts earning interest too. This creates a snowball effect where your savings grow exponentially. Imagine saving just $100 a month from age 20. With an average interest rate of 6% by age 40, you could have over $50,000. But if you wait until you're 30, that same $100 a month only grows to around $27,000 by age 40. See the difference? Time is key. Not necessarily how much you save each month. Even if you can only save a small amount right now, don't be discouraged. The habit of saving regularly is more important than the amount itself at this stage. Saving is more about discipline and mindset than having a huge income. It's about committing to your future. Don't fall into the trap of thinking, I'll start saving when I make more money. There's always going to be something competing for your cash. But if you save a portion of everything you earn, even just 5% or 10%, you'll build a solid financial foundation. So how do you get started? Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings account, or better yet, an investment account. Automating this process makes it easy to stay consistent. To sum it up, saving early isn't just about the money, it's about creating a habit that will serve you for life. The earlier you start, the more time works in your favor. Compound interest rewards you for patience, and it's a tool you definitely want on your side. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget subscribe to channel and hit the notification bell for more content like this.